Okay, so there's some more air conditioners over here. Here's some Amanas. I don't know what this place is. It looks like an apartment complex. And there's a ductless spit. I'm only gonna go over here because, yeah. Oh, only this one is running. Let's see. Why does it say Goodman Manufacturing Company? Wait, is Amana from Goodman? I'm so confused. That is 164. It's from 2005, and it's I think it's a 2-ton. I don't even know for sure. Yeah. Oh, this one has a. Wait, no. It has a scroll, but with a sound blanket. I think that's what it is. Oh shit, where's the data? Oh, it's down here. Let's look at Goodman. This one's from 2003. Wait, no. No, it's from 2006, I think. Also 36,000 BTU. Oh, it looks like they all have heating blankets, and I think that's not a heat pump. I can't tell. This one's from 2005, and it's a 2-ton. So here are the 3 Amana units. And yeah, I like the sound.